Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on this Viewpoint app that pays you every day just by doing nothing. Yeah, I've made a video about this Viewpoint stating how you can perform tasks, how you can register, how you can earn your rewards, how you can accumulate your points and what have you. So in today's video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on this video about Viewpoint. So guys, so far so good. I've accumulated up to 3,235 points here, which is accumulated to $9. Yeah, I told you guys that every 1,000 points you accumulate is magically to $1. I mean, sorry, $3. So I've accumulated up to 3,000 points here. So I'll be withdrawing this $9 to my account. Of course, they are paying through gift card, I think. So let's just go to payment settings. So they are paying through Tremendous, a Viewpoint vendor. Yeah, so that is it. So guys, I'm going to making a live withdrawal, showing you guys how you can claim your reward once you must have accumulated your points up to 1,000 points. So guys, you can see I accumulated like 3,000 points here already. So redeem this reward for 3,000 points. So far I'm going to be redeeming 3,000 points only. Yeah, so I'm click on see reward. You can see the 3,000 points is $9 reward from Viewpoint. Yeah, once you redeem you have 235 points left. Yeah, that's what will be left in my balance, because if I go back you can see that I have almost 3,235. so if I should withdraw this $9, I'm going to be deducted with 3,000 points, which leaving me with 235 points. So that is it. So I'll click on redeem reward. I'll click on redeem reward. Okay, so it's loading up. You can see, nice, you redeemed a $9 reward Viewpoint. You can see rate the Viewpoints. Okay, not thanks. You can see, nice, you redeemed a $9 reward Viewpoint via Tremendous. We'll send this reward to Donald, that is to my email, you understand? So if you don't see an email within 3 days, check your spam folder. Tremendous is a meta vendor. So guys, I've made the withdrawal. It's very simple, it's very legit and real. So I'll click on OK. So you can see I'm left with 235 points. I can see I'm now back to I'm now back to 1,000 points. That is, I'm going to be withdrawing 1,000 points once I've accumulated 765 points remaining. So guys, if I click on history, you can see these are the tasks that I've completed so far. You guys, so you can see the recent history here is reward redeem, which is $9 sent. So I'm going to be going over to my email to check whether they have sent me the $9 to my email for me to redeem the gift card. So guys, I'll be posting the video right now to check, and I'll let you guys soon. Yeah, so guys, you can see that if you check my recent message here is Viewpoint via Tremendous. So this is it here. Sorry, this is not it. So this is it here. Click on it. You can see redeem your reward worth $9. Viewpoint have sent me this. You can see if I want to redeem, I'll click on redeem and the money will be sent to my local Nigerian account. So you can see payout expiration. This, if you didn't redeem it for now to 4th of June 2027, it will expire. So guys, once you click on redeem, it will now be redirected and be sent to your US bank account, which you can withdraw from your bank to your Nigerian bank account. So if you check this $9 to Nigerian account, this should be around approximately 12,000 naira or 12,000 naira, if I should say. So guys, this is it. So this is how you can withdraw your money from Viewpoint app after you must have accumulated your earnings. So guys, see you on the next video. Bye.